Hello, trading has closed on the 28th of August, 2025. We always start with our disclaimer. We'll go over our calls and then make our predictions. This is my trading plan for Friday, which is August 28th, 2025. But I made no trades today. I won't make any trades tomorrow, and I won't make any trades on Tuesday. I have personal business, and by the end of next week, hopefully I should be back at my usual schedule. Just remember that I'm not following the market as closely as I normally do. That's a plan. I can change my plan, and my plan can be wrong. So trade at your own risk. And again, I'm not risking my own money on these calls. That will change by the end of next week. We said yesterday was a very negative pattern, and the only thing that would kill the idea would be gapping over these highs. And we gapped over these highs, so the call was killed before the open, and there wasn't a call for today. That's not what I want to show. Today was the pattern with the early low. Tomorrow's pattern has the early high. During the day, MEJT said this rally was false and price would return to where this yellow business is, and it worked. Later on, we got a signal that higher prices were coming, and they did, and these things have already played out. The important thing is, how does the new all-time high change things? Well, I tried to call a high around here, around 64.80. Today's high was 65.08, 28 points. It's less than 0.5%, but that's really a bit too much for me. I had one last year. I missed by 15 points. That worked. 28 points, that's a bit too much for me. Doesn't mean we're not going to drop. It's just if we do drop, I'm not going to take any credit. Now, we're still stopping right at this magenta line, which was one of the reasons for the call, and we stopped right there, which is resistance. The other reason was the wave count. We want wave magenta B to end. We want brown C to have some kind of relationship to that's gray C, to have some kind of relationship to gray A. If you set this at 100 and you move this over, I mean, it's really kind of pretty close, maybe a few points. It could still work, and then you could say the idea was right, if not the execution. But if we go any higher than this, I'm just going to have to throw in the towel. Friday's pattern has the early high regardless of where we open. Typically, it's a rally day with a high in the final hour. Failure is a straight line drop. We still haven't broken through trend line resistance, but the wave count's in danger of failing. It hasn't failed yet, but you have to make some reason for this to be a top. And there's an economic report coming out before the open tomorrow, so maybe it is. I just don't have enough confidence to say it is. It doesn't make me right. Bears need to start dropping pretty fast. We'll have to look for a different place for this leg up to finish. I had almost no time to analyze things. I'm not making a call for tomorrow. By the end of next week, I should be back in my usual schedule. I've been away for almost a month. Have not made many trades at all. By the end of next week, that should change. So right now, it's kind of make or break. If we do drop right from the open, you can still say that the wave count works, and you can still say we never broke through that resistance. But the pattern's usually a rally pattern. We get a good rally tomorrow, which might not finish until Tuesday's open. It's going to be hard to stick with that idea. Just remember, if we don't get a good rally, the alternative, which might not play out until Tuesday's open, the alternative is a straight line drop. So if we do get a straight line drop, the idea could still pan out. I just won't be around to see it. So it's the pattern with the early high, and that's today's call.